What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I do have the Otter Defender Pro XT. I picked this up from Walmart, so we're just going to get it unboxed, try it out on the device, and I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can pick this up for yourself. So this is the Defender Pro XT. These cases give you nice protection on your smartphone. So let's just open it up like so. There is nothing else in the box. So this is what the case is gonna look like. Pull that out of there. MagSafe capability on the back. I like that. Only thing I could tell you, I do not like this big cutout. I wish it was something there to protect it, but we're gonna throw our iPhone 16 Pro Max in like so. They could have did a better job with they could have did a better job with coming up with a way to clip that off right there. But that's what you're looking like. This just gives your phone a lot more protection. Hold on, let me see something. Yeah, this is actually a two-part case. My bad. It's a two-part case, but as you can see, I put it on as one case. But this is a two-part case. It's the Defender series from Otter. Like I said, this is just going to keep your case more protected. It looks good. You get that clear back so you can see the color of your device. As you can see there. Over here you do get access to your power button. It's kind of tough. It's kind of tough to get in there, but you can still get in there if you would like to. Coming down here, you know, like I said, I'm not a fan of that big cutout. That really looks stupid, really looks weird, but it is what it is. Coming to the bottom here, you do get access to your charging cable. It has a dust thing there. I might end up cutting that off, who knows. I'm not rid of that being down there, the little flap. Because every time I want to charge it, I have to open it up to charge it. But everything lines up pretty good. Over here, get your alert slider. It's nice. Volume up and down button are nice and clicky. They're kind of tough, but it's still nice and clicky. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go, no problem. Coming over to the back here, you do get a nice deep cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat like that, you will have nothing to worry about. This really does not add too much bulk to the case, and that's good, because I do like these Otter style cases, but sometimes they add a little bit too much bulk to the case. But this one does not really add too much. It adds a little bit, but it's nothing that's overwhelming, and you know that is too heavy to where it's something that you do not want to hold on to. Now let me get, this is what it's gonna look like if you place something on there for your charging. It looks good, it feels good. Magnet is pretty strong, no problem. But I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.